I have breaking news now about the track of Hurricane Irma. It has taken another shift, not a surprising one, because it's always been in the cards that this storm would move a little bit back to the west, and that's exactly what the official forecast has done for the 5 o'clock advisory. We are at 175-mile-per-hour winds, an incredibly strong Category 5 hurricane with wind gusts of 215. It's moving north of the island of Hispaniola into this warm water bath area for the whole day tomorrow between the Bahamas and Cuba, and this much heralded turn is still expected on Saturday and on Sunday. Now here's the important breaking information for tonight. We have a shift in the cone back to the west a little bit, probably 40 miles, 50 miles or so back off to the west, if that much. And you can see right now it's still expected to maintain major hurricane strength of winds over 130 to 135 miles an hour with the landfall in the Keys sometime around Sunday morning or late Saturday evening. Now, this is, again, the center part of the cone, which we do not focus on, but the most important part is that the cone itself has shifted back and reflected just a little teeny push of a possibility of some of the strongest weather coming back toward our area. All right, this morning, when we had this cone in play, it was solidly over Miami. Now it looks like, as you can see, it's encompassing back over here toward southwest Florida. What does that mean? That means that we are still on high alert, as we should be. We are not letting our guard down, as you should not be, and that the potential exists for a Cat 4 storm to be anywhere from Freeport to off of the coast of Fort Myers, Sanibel. All right, so all of those scenarios are in play. They've still been in play, but this morning you saw a bit of a shift this way. This afternoon, our breaking news is that it's coming back a little bit more this way. Don't panic. Don't get this all crazy nuts about, because this is part of the whole idea of forecasting a hurricane 2 or 3 or 4 days out. It's okay, but it is not something that you should let your guard down on, all right? We're still talking about a major hurricane landfalling in Florida late Saturday or early Sunday. As you can see right now, it threatens the islands of Turks and Caicos in the southeastern Bahamas. And look at that, 175-mile-an-hour winds. All right. When I come back, we're going to take another look at the spaghetti models and some of those subtle changes that have led to the cone moving over toward the west just a little bit at the 5 o'clock advisory. And I'll be back with more information for you.